Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how can we check that who unfollowed us on Instagram the easiest way. First of all, you have to open your Instagram account. You will see here your profile like this, and I want to check that who unfollowed. To do this, you must have an app which is named as followers and unfollowers. If you don't have this app, so let's go on your Play Store or the App Store that you usually use in your mobile phone, then search their followers and unfollowers app like this, and just install and open it. Log into your account by your Instagram username or by your Gmail ID or your phone number that you want to use. As I have already this app, so I just open it, and you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just click on the three lines at the top right corner of the page. You will find here your profile and different options like don't follow me back, mutual follow back, and the many more. So we have to check that who unfollow us. Just click on the unfollowers. You will find here an ad, just skip it, and here you can see all the people that are unfollowed you on Instagram. So guys, it's the easiest way. If you don't want to use this app, just open your Instagram account, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on your activity and scroll down. You will find here the option named as download your information. Just click on it, give your password of your Instagram account here, and then go to next, and then click on done. Next 48 hours you will get a Gmail through the Instagram team, and they will show all of the unfollowers list that have unfollowed you recently on Instagram. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, as this is Let's Me Guide. Thanks for watching.